So what's going on, guys? Today's video is gonna be practically showcasing the car, and I'm gonna show you what's done to the car already, and I might have a little windshield banner installed in this video too. So I might do it in a separate video, who knows? But this is my 1998 Honda Prelude. So I only had it for like 2 weeks now. That's practically all I have right now. I haven't been able to give it a wash yet because it's literally been raining every single day since I got it. It was the first day it's, not raining, thank God. So everything that's done to the car right now, hold on, let me do this real quick. So everything that's done to the car right now is practically just a catch can, cold air intake. Nothing else is done to the engine. I don't know how I got a 98 for this cheap. That's stock, all wheels are on I think 1.5 spacers, all of them. I can't wait for looking for rims for those. And it has a custom exhaust. It's not it's a little too loud. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little too loud. So all I've done to the car so far is just a little spoon shifter. I do have to get a boot collar for the car. But all I did was a spoon shifter. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly, but that's that. Everything else is stock. The only thing that I saw wrong with the car was the miles thing is locked. The car is currently at 178,000 miles, I'm pretty sure. Maybe 77. Probably do something to get that fixed. And it's practically minimal to no rust. There's a little couple stuff in the engine bay that's a little rusted like that. I know the hood is rusting right here. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. I do need to get a microphone. But other than that, the car is, it's in perfect condition. This is really good. I'm gonna rev it a little bit for you guys too. So I'll probably do a more in-depth video while driving the car soon. Get like a little POV drive going, something like that. But right now I'm just enjoying its stockness, as I should. Alright, I wish I knew much more to talk about, but the car is basically, that's all that's wrong with it. And I think it has a, well, I don't think, I know it has a little kicker in it. Right here, 12-inch kicker. Yeah, the car is really fun to drive, As I'm still learning to drive stick, I don't even know how to downshift perfectly yet, but I'm learning there. The car is so fun though. Just gonna go ahead and get this install done real quick though. I'll show you guys it right now. Alright guys, let me show you what I'm about to do real quick. So before I even bought any good mods for the car, I wanted to do a little bit of cosmetics. So I got this little spoon decal that I'm gonna put on my front windshield window. It came with the black vinyl, but I feel like just this by itself is good enough. I just gotta find the right placement for it. So just bring it this way. Actually, let me put you guys on the tripod. I'm gonna have a lot of fun right now. The first cosmetic install, or second cosmetic install other than the shifter. This is gonna be really fun. Let's see if that's good. That should be good. Straighten it out. Let's do it. 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 So I'm probably gonna put you guys through a little time lapse right now. So. Alright guys, I just finished putting the vinyl on. It's not the best, as in like, this is my first time putting something on like this. You can see like, I messed up a little bit right here, so it's not going down. And now that I'm realizing, I should have put the black, but if you look at it from afar, it's like you can barely notice it. But, you know, it's there. For my first time, I think it's a pretty good job. Especially not having a squeegee on deck too. I was using my K1 speed card. Take a look at inside of it too. Looks pretty good. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Coming from around the corner, it looks really nice. Oh my god. It looks really nice. As you get closer, it gets ugly, but that's alright. Let's see how it looks from the inside. Yeah, it's not that bad. Looks pretty good. Oh. I'm actually really happy with that. If I would have had the black thing, the black vinyl, it would have gone like all the way around there, and I'd have to cut it. I'd have to cut it like right here. I feel like it'd just be blocking too much of my vision while I'm driving, so I wasn't really a fan of that. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Oh my god, I can see. I gotta still take out some water. All right, so I'll get that done. Other than that, it looks really good. I'm actually overall happy with it. Let's see how it looks from afar. Like when you're walking up to it, it looks really nice. Oh my god. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be doing a POV drive next, so that's coming. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a great night.